Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix invalid destination address in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now scroll down and click on messages app and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the storage and cache memory of messages app. After clear storage and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset network settings and then click on reset. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.